Hi friends, this is the AWS Certified Machine Learning Associate Program. So I'm working on like AWS Glue and data preparation services. And first of all, really thank you so much for Dr. Jane helping me for everything. Now I'm going to explain the topics like the main things: AWS Machine Learning Certified Associate, AWS Glue and AWS Glue Studio, and AWS Glue Data Quality, and AWS Glue Data Brew, and this is the diagram for that, the main features, and this preparation introduces the AWS Glue and its data integration services used for extracting and transforming the cleaning and validating and preparing data for analytical and machine learning. It is also demonstrates the AWS Glue Studio and Glue data quality and Glue data view for the building scalability of the ETL pipelines. And the introduction to the AWS Glue is like the main things are the serverless ETL and data integration, data catalog, and data processing. So AWS Glue is a fully managed service, serverless data integration service that simplifies the extracting and transforming and loading the ETL data. It automatically discovers data sources and creates metadata catalogs and prepare data sets for analytics and machine learning. So the data stores and like data catalog and data extracts and how the data will be targeted to the database, the transform to the script file. Like I just give you the schedule, event, and everything, the diagram clear understanding purpose. And going to the features of AWS Glue here, the automated ETL and data crawlers and metadata catalog and job scheduling. AWS Glue automates ETL workflow using the crawler and job scheduling and metadata management. It integrates with the Amazon S3 and Redshifts and RDS and many other AWS services. So here we have the data and AWS Glue Groover and how it goes. Like I have given the diagram. The data source will be going to the AWS Glue ETL processing and streaming ETL and data brew and ETL jobs. Then it will be going to the data target and it will be transferring to the AWS Glue catalog and tables, and that Athena, Redshift, Spectrum, and Quick Science and the composition services. And then the main AWS data will be coming to the Glue squirrels and it will be going to the catalog login. And going to the AWS Glue Studio, here we have taken the real-time diagram for that, and the visual ETL builder and the drag and drop interfaces and workflow design and job monitoring. AWS Glue Studio provides a graphical interface for creating the ETL and workflow without extensive coding. Users can visually design and run and monitor data integration pipelines. AWS Glue Studio provides a graphical interface for the creating ETL, and it runs and monitors data integration pipelines clearly, and it is pretty accurate and straight and always monitor the pipelines. And the benefits of the AWS Glue Studio, the main things are the low code development and faster ETL and visual pipeline and easy monitoring. And Glue Studio accelerates ETL development by providing the rescuable transformations, visual job design, and integrated monitoring tool that simplifies data engineering workflow. So here we have the diagram for that, like the really how it's going to work. Integrate some monitoring tools, and it is like now providing the rescuable transformations. And coming here, AWS Glue data quality. The data validation here, the main things are the data validation and data accuracy and rule-based checks and data reliability. And AWS Glue data quality automatically validates data sets using the predefined and custom rules. It helps identify incomplete and inaccurate or inconsistent data before it is used in analytics or machine learning. So AWS Glue Data Catalog and AWS Glue ETL, like the diagram we have given is, and it's really good, and a very high quality of the data will be monitored. The benefits of the data quality are that improved accuracy, better analytics, and reliable ML models and error detection. High quality data improves the business intelligence and analyticals and machine learning by ensuring the data sets are complete, consistent, and trustworthy. So here we have the improved accuracy, better analytics, and reliable ML models and error detections. So I have just given the flow diagram for that. And AWS Glue Data Brew, like the main thing, no code data preparation, data cleaning, and data transformation and data profiling. AWS Glue Data Brew enables users to clean and transform datasets through a visual interface. It supports hundreds of built-in transformation without requiring a programming knowledge. AWS Glue Data Brew enables users to clean and transform data sets through a visual interface. Coming to here, real world applications are like S3 landing zone, like the main the process of that ETL pipelines and data warehousing and business intelligence and machine learning. Intelligent document processing reduces manual work by automatically extracting information from the documents. This improves accuracy, saves time, and supports faster business decision making. So I'm really thank you so much, and I'm going to explain in the my presentation three, and so this is really the AWS certification. I'm going doing good, and so most of the part I have completed like 80% of that. So still I'm doing the rest of the things. It will be going to be do very good manner. Thank you so much.